हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सीसी टेक सॉल्यूशन। में आज की वीडियो में बताने वाला हाउ टू डाउनलोड द विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड। नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉर एंड गो टू डाउनलोड द ओपन योर सिस्टम एनी ब्राउजर एंड टाइप ऑन सर्च बार विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड विजुअल स्टूडियो डाउनलोड 2022 and hit the enter and go for the first link, and it is the Microsoft website, and you can download the first version to community version and hit for the download free for, and you can it is the here the download is start in my laptop and it is downloaded. Now let's open. It is downloading processing and it is downloaded, and secondly it is installing in my system. It is successfully installed in my system. It is automatically launched when it is installed in my system. It is already present in my system, and you can go from here and modify the system, and whatever you want, whatever required, you have to require .NET language, .NET code there, .NET desktop development and .NET multi-platform development, and it is also then we have to select first .NET desktop development, and you have to modify. He'll click right now here, and it is downloaded in your system, and after you can code in your system C# language, and also code the Visual Basic and AppSharp and other framework used in the .NET framework in the Visual Studio Code. You can code the. Thank you for watching my video. I will meet you next time.